Hi, I'm Scott Daniels, and I'm your answer man. Send any question my way, and I'll answer it. Today's question: what is lead poisoning, and how does the LeadSafe program help me? Lead poisoning happens over a long period of time, even with small amounts of lead, leading to serious health problems. The CDC says children are especially at risk. That's where the City of Fort Worth's Neighborhood Services LeadSafe program can help. Older homes are more likely to have lead-based paint that could be harmful. For instance, I found that almost 90% of homes built before 1940 had lead-based paint. The LeadSafe program will inspect your property for you, and they can repair it for free. The property must be located in the City of Fort Worth and built before 1978, the year lead-based paint was banned for home use. The owner of the property must agree to participate in the program. Rental properties may be eligible. A child under the age of 6 lives in the home or spends a good amount of time in the home. There's some income requirements too. All that information can be found on this website on your screen. We've also linked it to this video. You can apply for the program there too. This program will not only make your home safer, it could make the property value increase too. I'm Scott Daniels, your answer man. Send any question to me and I'll answer it.